Hello, assalamu alaikum. We are exploring dictionaries in Python. So, till now we have learned how to initialize or start a dictionary, how to access the items in it using the key, and how to modify them, how to use get function, a safer way to access the information inside it. Now we are going to know how to observe that whether a key actually exists in a Python dictionary before deciding something based upon that. So this lesson is very intuitive. Why? Because we have made the metaphor that using dictionary is just like finding a word in dictionary. Okay. So what before a dictionary, opening a dictionary, you say to yourself, let me guess whether this word is in the dictionary. Oh, you just say like that, don't you? So Python offers you a very intuitive method just like that to know whether a key value pair actually does exist in Python or that dictionary or not. Let us do so. Uh, it's like the dictionary itself is talking with you. A if a a in dictionary one. So this statement a in dictionary one, a in dictionary one is asking the Python dictionary as if it's a living thing whether this word exists in you or not. Yes, it will say yes, true, it exists, or it will say false. Okay? This is it's that dictionary answering us like a living thing. Now, what is the utility of whether checking the word exists or not? Take the real life example. If it exists, you will see in the dictionary. If it does not, you will go to some another dictionary. So, if A exists in dictionary one, print check A. And if it does not exist, you can print grab and another dictionary. So one of the main uses of checking whether a key value pair exists in the dictionary using the in operator. In itself, the word is an operator of checking a value in dictionary. Is so the main function of this in operator is to decide in if and else conditions whether to try this path or that path. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next lesson.